When you're working with Microsoft Entra ID, it's essential to understand the different licensing options available to you. Whether you're using Microsoft 365, Azure, or other Microsoft Online Business Services, Entra ID is already in play, handling your sign-ins and helping you protect your users and data. In this session, you'll learn what each Microsoft Entra ID license offers so you can choose the right one for your organization's identity needs. When you subscribe to any Microsoft Online service, like Microsoft 365 or Azure, you automatically receive the Microsoft Entra ID free license. With this, you can manage users and groups, synchronize your on-premises directory using Azure AD Connect, and access basic sign-in and usage reports to monitor activity. It also enables self-service password changes for cloud-only users and gives you single sign-on across Microsoft 365, Azure, and many SaaS applications. This tier is a solid starting point for basic identity needs, but it doesn't offer the automation, risk-based access controls, or governance capabilities you might require in larger or hybrid environments. If you're managing both cloud and on-premises environments, or you're looking to delegate identity-related tasks to users, P1 is a great step forward. With P1, you get everything included in the free tier, plus access to both cloud and on-prem apps, dynamic group membership, and self-service group management that empower users to manage their own access. It also supports integration with Microsoft Identity Manager and includes Cloud Writeback, which allows your on-prem users to reset their passwords through self-service portals. P1 helps you strike the right balance between control and user empowerment while significantly lowering help desk and IT support burdens. If your organization requires advanced security, compliance, and governance capabilities, Entra ID P2 is built for you. This tier includes everything in both the free and P1 plans and adds powerful features like Microsoft Entra ID Protection, which uses machine learning and real-time risk detection to identify suspicious sign-ins and compromised identities. You can automate access decisions based on that risk using Conditional Access. Additionally, P2 gives you access to privileged identity management, allowing you to assign admin roles with just-in-time access, MFA enforcement, and approval workflows. This helps reduce standing privileges and makes privileged access more secure and auditable. P2 is ideal for environments that must meet stringent compliance standards or manage a large number of privileged users. If you want to maintain control over who has access to what, especially as your organization grows, Microsoft Entra ID Governance is the perfect add-on for you. With this, you can run regular access reviews to ensure users still need the permissions they've been granted. You'll also be able to set up entitlement management, allowing users to request and gain access to resources through a controlled workflow. What makes it even more powerful is the ability to automate lifecycle workflows for users joining, moving within, or leaving the organization, ensuring access is always aligned with their role. If you're scaling your identity program, this tool helps you stay organized and compliant without adding manual overhead. If you're managing identities across multiple cloud platforms like Azure, AWS, and GCP, Permission Management Add-on gives you a clear advantage. It provides full visibility into every permission assigned to every identity, whether it's a user or workload. You'll be able to spot unused or overly permissive access, helping you clean up and reduce your attack surface. With built-in controls, you can enforce least privilege access across your cloud infrastructure, making sure no one has more access than they truly need. If multi-cloud complexity is part of your reality, this solution is essential for maintaining security and governance at scale. In addition to the standard license tiers, you also have access to pay-as-you-go features that let you customize your identity platform based on specific business or technical needs. If you're dealing with legacy applications that still rely on LDAP, NTLM, or Kerberos, but you don't want to manage on-prem domain controllers, Microsoft Entra Domain Services is your solution. It gives you the power of traditional Active Directory in the cloud, fully managed by Microsoft, so you can modernize your infrastructure without breaking compatibility. On the other hand, if you're building customer-facing applications, Microsoft Entra B2C is built just for you. It allows you to create secure, branded identity experiences for your customers, complete with social login options and custom authentication policies. You can design flexible sign-in and sign-up flows that reflect your brand and meet your compliance requirements. These pay-as-you-go features are ideal when you want to extend your identity capabilities without committing to a full license tier upgrade. They let you tailor your approach for legacy apps, public users, or niche business scenarios. To wrap up, now that you understand the licensing options, you can decide which tier best fits your environment. Whether you're just starting with Microsoft Entra ID or looking to enhance your identity protection and governance, there's a license that meets your needs. Remember, start with free for basic access, move to P1 for hybrid and automation, choose P2 for full security and governance, and add features like governance or permissions management if your environment grows more complex.